Ooh. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go to the right. Okay, let it go to the left. Okay, let it go to the. Okay, let it go to the. Hey, okay, let it go to the. Okay, let it go to the. Okay, let it go to the right. Okay, let it go to the left. Okay, let it go to the. All right, we back in the genre. I haven't played in a while. We got Leather, Johnny, Hitch. Okay, so he right there. What's happening with y'all? What's happening with y'all? Happening with y'all? What's happening with y'all? Let me see. I'm gonna get that bone scrap, bro. He behind me. He's behind me. Oh, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my. Bro. I just slammed the door. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Oh no. Maybe if I hide right here, he won't see me. Stupid eye. Ooh wee. All right, let's get it. Let me get some tools. Y'all got out that fast? God damn. But I haven't played this game in a while, bro. But hey y'all. We're gonna get this tool scrap. We're gonna get the hell up out of here, boy. Oh, my ability is full. I can use it now. Let me see. Where is he at? Okay, he over there. Oh, he close. Okay, I'm gonna go through that door right there, y'all. And then I'm gonna go from. Wait, I'm under the house. Let me see. I'm under the house, right? House basement. Yeah. We don't want to do that. Let me get from the side. Go from the side. They must know I'm still in here, probably. Oh wait, no. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. For me, I find it better just escaping from a different side of the map rather than the basement. I'm not gonna lie, always get caught by a family member coming from the basement, bruh. Not always, but yeah. And I hear one of the victims. Let me see. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't lose my knowledge of the game. I didn't lose all of it, but hey, man, we got a pretty solid lineup. But hey, bruh. I said, hey, bruh. Okay, so they know like 2 people opened the door. Let's see. Is that a family member? That's a family member. Fuck. He might see me. There's no way.
I'm sick of eating scraps.
There's no way he's seen me, right?
Go ahead, run. That's the fun.
Oh my goodness, y'all. Who the fuck? He's just sitting right there. Okay. Okay, so we're on gas station. I could make it out of here. I want to make it out of the. I want to make it out through the gas station house, but bro. Okay, so he finally escaped. He didn't open any doors though. Let me see. Oh, I don't know why they. What the fuck? Oh, I thought that was somebody right there. Let me see. Is this door open? Oh fuck. Why are you by me? Okay, why are you by me though? You better not have sent anybody with you. Not sent, but drag somebody with you.
Please be a way out of here.
Oh hell no! I hear him! 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 No! 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 Hide! 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 Hide!
Attention.
Y'all, I forgot to close the door. He ain't see me though. Is that the Jinn? I heard the Jinn. I heard Leatherface too. Is he coming over here? Nope. I'm by Gramps. I'm by Gramps. I'm by Gramps, y'all. Let's go, Maria. Now, if she got what I think she got, then we coolin'. Is this the house? This is the house. I get out through here. No, this is where you come up from. I'm cooked. Let me see. That's the fuse right there. This is a valve. Usually the thing would be right here. What is this? Let me lock pick this. I said lock pick lock. I can get out through this way. I'm not gonna lie. The game don't even have to drag on as much for me, at least. Oh no. Somebody's by me.
Don't squeak.
I thought somebody was by me. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We home sweet home. Let me not jinx it though. I'm out there, John. I'm out there a little bit. 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 Oh yeah, we out here. Say goodbye. You're done for.
That's it.
Say you're.
Just a little.
Say they grabbing on my shirt. They're grabbing on my shirt. They're grabbing on my shirt. I get it though. Hands, Johnny, and Cook. Yep. Then we got a Anna. I forgot old girl name, and then we got a. Yeah, I haven't played this game in a while. Chill, bro. Let's chill on you. Let's chill on the boy. You know what I'm saying? So we got no reason not to, you know what I'm saying, at least have a chance for everybody to get out. That was on me.
Pay more attention.
So no toolbox over here. I see. I'm not going out the basement way. So let's see. I can't find the toolbox anywhere. Okay, here we go. Found the toolbox. Found the toolbox. Let me get to picking these locks, my boy. Found the toolbox, y'all. He waiting right here. He gonna be waiting right here for a minute, boy. I ain't even gonna lie.
Who the fuck is this nigga, bro?
Pause on that motion. No Diddy. What is you?
Those doors.
Okay, this is basement bedroom. I'm gonna find. Let me find a door where it's not a bait. Are we not on no bait? In no basement. Excuse me. Can't even speak. Oh, this is a tunnel. North.
I got this.
Huh? Am I tweaking? This that one map, huh? And why can I can hear him above me. Fat eye dude, I can hear you, cuz. What map is this? I'm not gonna lie. I don't trust going this way though. Huh? I promise I'm not tweaking, bro. I promise I'm not tweaking, bro. I'm gonna open this door too. I'm gonna open this door too, and then I'm gonna get the bone scrap so I can protect myself. Let me see. It's only like, bro. It's only 3 of us that's opened the door. Anna, open the damn door. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just gotta. I'm not going through this way anyways. I'm not gonna lie. Come on, come on. Cool it, cool it. Who the hell is that right there? Oh yeah, see, I'm gone. Yeah, I'm gone. I'm gone. What's that behind me? Okay. I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna pray. Stand, stand. Y'all might be cooked. I might be cooked. Okay. Let's...
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
He seen me, didn't he? Yep, he did. Yep. Catch me if you can, fat man! Oh!
I can use this.
I'm not gonna lie, never calling you a fat man ever again, bro. Oh! 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 I'm going through the well, I hear somebody's voice. Oh! 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 Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Turn this light off, bro. What is everybody doing, bro? What is like, are we doing like the front exit? Huh?
I'm ready.
I'm not going up this way. So he just got murked. I'm gonna go through the same way I went through the last time. I'm not gonna lie. Fat dude got me traumatized.
Better get moving.
It'd be crazy if somebody just came from like behind.
Okay.
Who's that? Oh, that's open? It's no way he sees me, right?
Just go away. Damn it. They won't leave.
Huh? He went downstairs, right? Bro. I know soon as I go through here, I'm cooked, y'all.
I hope the others are okay.
Should I make the... You only live once, right? Please don't say nothing. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck.
No. They're everywhere. Gotta keep out of sight. Gotta keep moving.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got your back. I got your back. There's no way I do this in time while he's stunned. Oh! I'm doing this. What you want me to do? Oh my goodness! Oh yeah, he's cooked. Try to get through there, big man. Try to get through there, big man. Yeah, he's cooked. Yeah, buddy's cooked. He's cooked. Yeah, and I heard. Yeah, yep. I'm the last victim standing. I'm not gonna lie. I might be cooked, y'all. Okay, we're gonna do this right here. I ain't giving up. I ain't giving up, y'all. That's what we not finna do. We ain't giving up.
Are they really gone?
Come on. I might be cooked though, y'all. Let me see. Bro. Y'all.
Don't worry. I'll find you. How did they find me?
There's no way he seen me, right? There's no way he seen me, right? I'm not going to game chat, y'all. Y'all might be cooked. I might be cooked, y'all. I might be cooked.
Yes. I need this.
Okay.
God.
So this is what we gonna have to do, y'all. We're cooked. I'm not gonna lie. We're deep in some dog poop right now. That's. This the door I had opened last time.
I hope the others are okay.
The only way for us to escape is out that side door. I hope he's not. Hope he's talking right now. Get low. Get low. No Busta Rhymes. I see him right there. We might be cooked. Hello.
No. They're everywhere.
Look, he's checking, bro. He's checking, bro. Oh my goodness. Can't go through that door.
Gotta keep out of sight. Gotta keep moving.
Okay. Y'all, I'm so cooked right now.
I can do this.
Fuck it, y'all. Let me see.
I gotta get out of here. Finally. I think I lost him.
He seen me, didn't he? He seen me, didn't he?
Freaks.
Oh, this nigga.
Need to be quiet.
Y'all.
Open doors with this.
You ain't getting away.
It's no way! It's no way! Wait, ain't no way! It ain't no way! It ain't no way! No! Oh! No! No! It's no way! It ain't no way! Bro, if they come down here, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Y'all, if they come down here, I'm so cooked. And my health is low. No. No.
Just awful.
No.
Where are they?
No, where the health? I'm finna die to health!
Just go away. Damn it. I won't leave.
There's no way he's down here. This nigga's down here. Fuck.
Oh, it hurts.
I'm finna die, bro.
It hurts bad.
It's no way! It's no way! It's no way! It's no way! There's no, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm cooked. I'm so 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 cooked, y'all. Yo, I'm so cooked.
I hope the others are okay.
Watch him be right here waiting.
Is this nigga serious?
No, this thing, no, 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 I'm cooked, no, I'm cooked. Ah, ah. Oh no, I'm cooked. Are we dead ass? I'm cooked. I'm cooked, bro. This is what we're doing? We're doing this to the black man, bro? It ain't no way. DJ Ramones condone. I'm back with it. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. It's too much noise. We got Cook, Johnny, and a leather. Exit out this way? Nope, we gotta go through that front door. I don't know how you ain't. She probably don't want to make that much noise. No, as for me. Oh, I love this map. I love this map, bro. That fast.
Who the fuck is this nigga,
My
bro?
best grandpa impression. Oh no, I hear him that way. Yep, we ain't doing it. I ain't finna do it. No toolbox over here. It is a toolbox over here. Yes, sir. Let me find that lockpick. You bringing them to me? She's bringing them to me. He behind me, ain't he? Oh, I thought he was behind me. He can't fit through that crack. Big old leather face. Big lame ass. You know what I'm saying? Big lame ass. Big, you know what I'm saying? Ah, sweet teeth. One of y'all. Nah, just playing. Oh no, I ain't going that way. He down here. He tormenting people. Yeah, can't do it. Nope. Close that. Yeah, you a snitch on me, Nugget. Little nuggy. Ooh. I don't know why I started singing Fredo Bang in the middle of a damn chase.
Nothing to it.
Wait, what is this? Is this where I think it is? I don't want to go up this way. I do want to, but at the same, I want to go. I always go through that one basement way. No. I'm gonna get one more. Cook and Johnny is expected. One of them is expected to be up here, but I know they just seen me open this door. Unless they just really don't care. Or they're just somewhere off in the hiding, waiting for me to come up. And then when I come up, they see me. And then, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. They murk. Yeah, boy. Why do I already hear somebody right here? Okay. Alright, yeah. Okay. I hear them. Huh? What's that? Uh-oh. Oh, that's Connie. What's up, Connie? What's up with it? What's up with it, shawty? What's up with it, little shawty? You talking
Oh
about?
my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Oh, I thought that who I thought it was. I was finna be tripping. Finna try to end this vid off with a dub for y'all, but nope. I hear Cook. No, that's Johnny. Cook, oh, that don't sound like that. I really feel like if I open this door, he gonna be right behind that John. I'm gonna run.
I got this.
I really feel like somebody's behind this door. See. Hi. Okay. Hey, y'all. Oh. Oh, wow. I heard that. Oh, they're double teaming her. Let me see. What can I? How can I help? Oh, I can't help you. I'm sorry.
Why the hell did we end up here?
Hold on. Hold on. There's no way he saw me, right?
Don't worry. I'll find you.
Huh? Who you talking? Who you talking about? Oh! I hear him. I'm gonna try to escape the other way. Grandpa, be quiet now. Don't you say you a real one. You a real one. You a real one. Oh my god. Oh, you a real one. No. Close it. Let me go out this door. Connie, go. Go, Connie, go. Is this door unlocked? She stopped it. Okay. Come on, please. Oh, come on. Connie? Connie!
Don't squeak.
Connie, let's go! Let's go! Julie, I feel bad, Rio. How we go? Yeah, they trying. Hey, bro. I love y'all, bro. That's the end of the vid, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to play 3 matches for y'all. The second one was like, oh, Julie is not getting out. But I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next vid. Want to switch it up for y'all. Want to play Texas. You know, cause you know what I'm saying. This game is fun, especially if you have a good team, you know how to play. I mean, even the losses, bro. Like, but I ain't gonna who want to be a loser, bro. Just being honest, bro. Nobody wants to be a loser. But 2 dubs, 1 L. Hey, satisfied. Lay y'all. Ski.
She want me to fuck her, I told her I will. Shit. I'm finna take it down. I'm finna take it down. She like dread, she saying I'm tall. Yeah, yeah. I know I got hype, but my money tall. Yeah. I'm finna take it down.